Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to save for web in Photoshop. I'm opening the image, file, save for web. Select the JPEG low. Giving quality 8. Now click on save. In this way we can get a smaller size but good quality image. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.